Good morning, everybody. We are here. The market actually looking okay today. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency down a little bit from where it was yesterday. We got Nick F first in the chat. Good morning to you, Nick F. No toast, no toast, no toast. Nick F. Giovanni 770. Bree Guy. Is it Bree Guy or Bry Guy? Come on now, man. Old Rounder, bro. Good morning to you, Michael. Mornings. Mornings, what are we doing? Bree Guy, Michael Bree Guy. We got Michael, Jen G, Robert, aloha to you, Robert, Giovanni, and Aru Basu. Glad to have you guys all in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what is happening. AMC, okay. AMC up 19, up 20% on the day today. AMC sitting at $13 per share. Guys, don't get excited, okay? 20% gain, AMC is still at $1.30. I mean, these are all-time lows we're talking about right here. 20% gain, making AMC bounce back to extremely low levels. Do not get excited about it moving up to $13. We can get excited if it moves back up to $50, $60, $70 per share. We're not going to get excited about $13 just yet, but I do like the 20% daily gain there. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 815 points per coin, 814, 815, 814, 815. It is down 2.63% on the day today. GameStop 1834, 0.55% higher. Tesla, man. Tesla showing some volatility today. Tesla hitting some decent trend line. You guys can see the trend line being formed right here on Tesla. Very interesting one. Higher lows being hit, that's not even a word, being hit on Tesla right here. Might see a pullback down to this trend line, but hey, hopefully it continues higher as the day progresses. Still, moving up after yesterday's massive gain, Tesla breaking out of this horizontal level of resistance right here. We could be testing 299 again on Tesla very, very quickly. After that earnings report, made the stock fall back all the way down from 300, man, to $213-ish per share. Wild. The Tesla's already back up to $260 a share here. The Nasdaq sitting up nicely today, 0.57% gain. AMC 21% gain. AMC's actually looking good right now. GameStop sitting at 1833. Dogecoin 6.4 cents. We've got Ethereum sitting at 1703. Shib sitting at 815. Bitcoin sitting at 27,193. Come on, Bitcoin. We don't need this downward action. We want some upward action. SPY sitting at 450.90. QQQ 376.66 right now. Mullen Auto 59 cents. I see some desperation coming from the Mullen Auto team out there, talking about suing exchanges because they're allowing naked shorts. So desperation is in the air for Mullen Auto. Netflix sitting at $436. Wow, $4. I wish. Highcroft Mining sitting at 35 cents. MPW 7.34. Tesla 258.13. Joby sitting at 7.43, and TMC $1.33. We're gonna watch Bitcoin play itself out, and we can jump back in and watch Tesla in a minute here. But man, AMC is looking good on the top left at the morning. Beautiful mornings with a cup of coffee. Dark Bro for being late. Pika for taking all my money. It is crazy, Michael. It is crazy. Good morning to all. Have a great day. Robert, you as well, man. Giovanni, what's going on? Aru, good morning to you. J Bones. Guys, crazy world. Is there only 10 of us? Nah, I'm seeing 21. 21 very quiet people out there, guys. Crazy world. Make sure that you guys keep the chat moving. If the chat doesn't move, it's really strange. Streamlabs has this really weird like emoji that I can't even use because I have to open up the chat in YouTube. So I don't even know why they allow the chat. Why they have that stupid emoji right there? Because I can't even put emojis on things. But it covers up part of the chat, so I can't read it if you guys don't keep the chat moving. So make sure you guys stay active in the chat, otherwise it covers up. My AMC average cost doesn't show up. Anyone know why? Gabe, I don't know what broker you're using, but my best guess is that they don't necessarily understand what your display average would be. They're going to keep your average in terms of tax documents and all of that. So with the combination and conversion of APE into AMC, A lot of brokers had your cost average in APE at 0 because they treated it as though it was a dividend, and they had your cost average at APE at 0, which doesn't necessarily make sense. So combining those shares back into one another, it's probably confusing the crap out of a lot of brokers right now, and they just don't know how to handle it. Meanwhile, AMC is still looking good, guys. AMC up 25% on the day today, $13.63. The only people that could possibly be excited about AMC being up 13% or 25% on the day today are those that literally just bought in yesterday. Okay, if you did not buy in yesterday or this morning, you are still down on your AMC investment. Hey, so Bitcoin rallied yesterday on news about the grayscale court ruling. It seems like technical analysis means a little right now, with significant SEC decisions coming up in the next couple of days. Yeah, old rounder. So if you believe that SEC decisions are going to be coming out in the next couple of days, you are correct. Okay. Now, they do have like 45 days before the SEC can appeal that grayscale decision, so it's not just like the next couple of days there. I would give it a couple weeks, actually. But with that being said, fundamental news is always going to trump technical analysis. So when you see a win, like you saw with grayscale yesterday, it doesn't really matter. To a certain degree, okay? It doesn't really matter what the technical levels of resistance are and technical analysis. Clearly, you're going to have some traders that are still willing to sell and still willing to buy at levels of support and resistance and stuff like that. But, yeah, dude, you can blow right through a resistance level. You can blow right through a support level if you get good news or bad news on Bitcoin or any stock for that matter. That's why earnings reports are so important. That's why things like you saw yesterday with the SEC potentially, now, okay, I say potentially, it doesn't mean that they have to allow the Bitcoin spot ETF. They just simply have to look at it again and either offer some better reasoning as to why they don't want to allow that ETF or approve it at that point. So, yeah, dude, you are right in terms of fundamental news trumping the technical analysis. Did you find out anything about Elon Musk using X to buy and use crypto? Giovanni, as of now, no. I believe the only license they have, okay, and I was reading a few articles this morning, because a lot of headlines moving around Twitter, or X, about X receiving, I don't know, status and receiving the approval to move money. That's only in Rhode Island, from what I've read. So I believe that is their plan, to get all of the required licenses across the United States and potentially across the world as well, to allow transactions to take place. And create some sort of super app like Elon Musk wants to see there. But as of right now, it's still extreme early stages. So I'm not getting too excited about it just yet. I don't live in Rhode Island. I don't know anybody that does live in Rhode Island. So actually, I do know one person that lives in Rhode Island. No, Rhode Island or Delaware? I don't even know. I think it was Delaware. I don't know anybody that lives in Rhode Island. You guys know anybody that lives in Rhode Island? I don't know anybody that lives in Rhode Island. I actually want to check and see if anybody from Rhode Island even watches this channel here. Yeah, so I have been reading up on that, but that's all I know so far. Why is no one talking about Lunk? Interesting. Oh, Rue, so the latest thing on Lunk, how do you feel about that proposal passing? If right now they got like 65% yes votes to fund the USTC repeg team for August, which is very strange to me because the USTC repeg team did zero work in August. So it solidifies the fact that if they get approval for funding, they are not getting funding for working. They are simply getting funding for being a team and being well known in the Terra Luna Classic community. So what are your thoughts on that? I really dislike the direction that the Terra Luna Classic community is going right now in terms of funding these self-made celebrities. Dark Bro, you watch Blue Beetle yet? Not yet. I'm going to see it tomorrow. Perfect, man. I don't know if I'll be seeing Blue Beetle. I don't know about that one. James Dunn. Hit the like button, everybody. Listen to James and click that like button. AMC ripping $1.34. Oh, man. Yeah, when you put it that way, dude, AMC ripping up to $13 just sounds hilarious. Go ahead and watch AMC go to the moon while you are alive. That would be sweet. Yeah, guy, it really would be sweet. Like, if AMC all of a sudden breaks up to $100, $200, $300 a share, the old 20, 30 level that we were at, I'll be excited. But I don't know if it's going to get there, man. I'm convinced the back is ruining people's ability to drive and motor vehicle. I don't know if people really had that ability to begin with, though. There's so many bad drivers out there. It is crazy, Pudge. It's done a lot more than that. He didn't want to type it out. X, in my opinion, they just might use H-bar. Hey, Bree guy, man. I don't know. I don't know what X would use. You know, I don't know if he would go the route of integrating Doge immediately into it or what his idea would be. But keep in mind, I think that CZ Binance, I think it's a 5% stake, if I'm not mistaken. I think CZ Binance has like a 5% stake in X, okay, him and Elon Musk. So just watch out. I would imagine that Binance is going to have a lot to do with X's cryptocurrency payments and stuff like that. So it could be BNB, Binance coins could be one of the first thing that they use out there. I would imagine an integration with them in some sort of a big way, because I'm pretty sure that Changpeng Zhao's got a 5% stake. I don't think it's 10. I think it's 5% stake. 28-10 viewers winning. I thought you were going for the likes in here. Yeah, guys, come on now. Click the like button. Listen to Pudgy. I don't know what you're doing. Rhode Island. Rhode Island. I'm in Rhode Island. What you talking about? Dude, you're not in Rhode Island. Since when are you in Rhode Island, man? Are you really in Rhode Island right now? Yes, so the quant team hasn't done their work, so I really don't know about their prop for funding again. Yeah, Aru, that is a very interesting situation to me. See, I thought for sure that if they would have done the work, they would have deserved the funding. I think that is fair right there. If you do the work, sure, get paid, man. But they still want paid, and they have done nothing for August. Not that they're getting paid and potentially going to do nothing. They literally have done nothing, and they still want paid. And most likely will get paid if any of these major validators simply votes to abstain. There's a very good chance that these guys are going to meet quorum and get paid. Hey, excited for the draft on Saturday. I am confused by the draft on Saturday, JB. I see a lot of you guys talking in the Discord, and I have no idea what is going on. So if you want to give me a quick rundown on anything that might be necessary for me to do, I would much appreciate it, because I see you guys talking and I have no idea what is going on. Probably going to use XRP because the app is called X now. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, Dark Pro. Clay, did you ever get No, I didn't. I didn't. Giovanni, I did not get into SoundHound. I know SoundHound's up to like $2.50 or something right now. If you got in at $1.96, very nice. Watch out, okay? When SoundHound drops, $2.60. That's even better. When SoundHound drops, man, it drops pretty heavy, okay? Boom! From $5 in a 2-week period down to, $1.79 here. So please be careful if it does begin to sell off again. Let's see. What do we got? Yeah, I don't know, man. You had a decent trend going on back here off that 93 cents, but it was clearly broken. Now, what I do notice is you've got actually a decent parallel trend taking place right here. So it's almost an identical. Hold on, I can't. I just want to move this. It's almost an identical angle. Man, too many buttons to click. It's almost an identical angle of higher lows that are being hit right here. But you do have a little bit of trouble that could arise in the area that it's at right now. Okay? It was support back here, resistance and support in this area. So hopefully you can get back above this 265 level that we're currently at right now, and continue trending along that line higher right there. Definitely watch out though. If you make it all the way back up and you're willing to hold, and you make it back up into this area, $4, you might want to consider. If it's broke out here, here, and here 3 times, but every time has fallen afterwards. So let's coin the phrase optimistically cautious if you begin to break this $4 level right here. And just know that the pullbacks are heavy when they break through that level over the last year. So, nope, I'm not in sound at the moment, but anybody that did get into sound where you got in, doing very well at the moment, man. So, don't lose that money. Protect those gains if you've got them. AMC curling over. That looks like a dirty curl right there. Let's say you bought a put option on AMC right here. Let's see what it would turn out to be. A good idea or a bad idea? We got the purple line on the chart right there. The curl looks good for a little bit of a scalp. Let's see how it would have played out right there. And already it's looking even better. So let's see what that does there. Make the graph just a little bit bigger so you guys can see that line take place. Texas, bruh. Something. I live in Connecticut, work in Rhode Island. Oh! Well, that's just weird, man. That's just weird. I knew you lived in Connecticut, but I thought you might have moved when you said you were in Rhode Island. I didn't know you lived in one state and worked in another. Holy moly, man. You guys' states are too small over there. You guys' states are too small over there that you're living in one state and working in another. I had no idea. That's crazy, J-Bones. That's crazy. You're the first person that I've ever talked to that is in Rhode Island. I didn't even know, man. I don't even know. And I've been talking to him for 2 years. At least he's not a Southie, whatever that means. Hey, Clay, bro. Kim Kelly, what's going on? Clay, draft a kicker in the first round. In the second round, to draft a defense, very valuable. Michael, appreciate you, dude. Go kicker, first round. And what, like defensive lineman? What do we got for the second round there? Somebody on defense? Rhode Island's right next to Connecticut. Small state. Way too small, dude. Just forget about South Boston. What you guys got against South Boston, man? Trump posted a mugshot on Twitter. SpaceX Twitter catches lawsuit. What is with these? Stop telling me what the emoji is, man. I can clearly see the emoji. Catches lawsuit for hiring American citizens. Oh, yeah, I did see that. And not asylum seekers. Coincidence or nah? No, dude. No. Now, I could be wrong on this, okay? I could be wrong on this, but somebody who maybe have experience, I don't know if any of you guys work in HR or if any of you guys are lawyers or anything. If I have a business, am I not allowed to discriminate based on anything that I want except for, like, age, sex, religion, orientation, whatever else is protected? As far as I know, asylum seekers are in, what was the other one? Yeah, there was another. This was asylum seekers and something else. Not even American citizens. That is not a protected, I don't know, minority or whatever they call it. So theoretically, if I wanted to discriminate without reason against asylum seekers, I believe you are legally allowed to do so. Am I incorrect in that? I think that the only protected, like, minorities or whatever they call them, guys, protected against discrimination, like age, sex, religion, race, and I don't know if there's anything else that falls under that list or not, but I have never seen asylum seekers as a protected minority. So I have no idea why the Department of Justice would even think that they can file that lawsuit right there. You can discriminate on all, like, intelligence. I can discriminate if I find you, like, stupid. I don't have to hire you because I believe you're stupid. If I don't like your attitude, I can discriminate wholeheartedly against your attitude. I can discriminate against all of these things when it comes to the workforce, except those protected things there. And yeah, Pudgy, I don't even know why the Department of Justice would file that other than just a publicity stunt, because they know that that's stupid, and you can, or if you have a bona fide work requirement, okay? Some examples, I don't even want to get into the examples, okay, let's just say Chinese restaurant. Chinese restaurant can discriminate against anybody who is not Asian or Asian looking, right? Because they have a bona fide reason to keep up the Chinese restaurant type of a theme. So, yeah, man, it is a very weird that they're filing those lawsuits. They know those answers. What did JB say? That's a dirty curl right there. It is a dirty curl, man, but it bounced back up. So if you would have taken it short, you would have been able to scalp 3 very nice minutes, taking it from 1320 all the way down to 1280. 1320 to 1280, guys, was probably a decent move in puts, but it's bouncing back up already. So I don't know if it'll maintain that bounce or not, but it's a really nice trend line that has been maintained all day today. So, I mean, in all honesty, if you're looking at this trend line, we did just come back down and bounce off that trend line. So, the ascension may still be intact right here. That was just a dirty curl, dude. Dirty little curl. I'm telling you that right now. Dirty little curl. What did JB? JB says, 1 quarterback, 2 wide receivers, 2 running backs, 1 tight end, 1 flex, whatever the heck that is, 1 kicker, 1 defense, and 6 bench players. Bench players. I assume bench players. JB, thank you very much for the 26 holy moly months of bro, man. I love it right there. And yeah, somebody's gonna have to help me with that on Saturday. So if we're drafting stuff on Saturday, you guys are gonna have to make sure that Michael Allen isn't telling me to draft a kicker in the first round and get defense the rest of my game here. Come on now. October is my 2-year anniversary of following Clay on YouTube. Let's get started. Bree guy. Very nice, man. And I love the fact that you're embracing the Bree guy now. I like that, man. Flex is either wide receiver or running back. I was like, dude, did they add a new position to the football field? I don't know what flex is. Oh, my gosh. I just started to choke. Fill your primary roster first, then your bench, then draft kicker and defense last, Clay. Well, that's not what Michael says. I believe Michael may be trying to trick me. I see what you're doing, Michael, but I don't appreciate it. Don't do that. Oh, bro, trust me, there's a lot more to it. I just had to do a recertification on all that workplace harassment and discrimination crap. Now they all involve feelings and everything else. No, dude, they don't involve feelings. No. Don't try. Dark, bro, you can't listen. I was born at night. It's actually a lie, too. I was born in the afternoon. But I wasn't born last afternoon, okay? God, dude, feelings. No. You guys are trying to play me for a fool. Nice try, Dark Bro. You almost got me on that one. It's not illegal for an American company to hire American people first. Nobody except the people filing in the suit or throwing in the ethnicity or whatever. Yeah, dude, it's very weird. It is very weird. I don't even think that American citizenship isn't even one of those protected things, though. So I technically could discriminate based on country of residence or citizenship or whatever. Yeah, dude. Easy win case for Elon Musk there. Wide receiver and running back in the first 3 or 4 spots, then quarterback. Do you get a decent one, or Travis Kelce in the 3rd round if he's there? You guys are wild, dude. You guys are probably so smart when it comes to football players. It's not even funny, man. What's going on with Lunk? Is it dead? YNB fight. Let me put it this way, okay? And this might be hard to hear. I think it's dying right now, okay? I don't think the Terra Luna Classic is dead. I think it's dying again. Now, Terra Luna Classic had died before. I mean, when you move from $100 a coin down to, I don't even know what it was, like 5 zeros and a 4 per coin or whatever, you have died. You have died a nasty death at that point. And the lunatics bought in, thinking it's going to bounce, and it did bounce. It bounced nicely. But right now, things have drastically changed. Things have changed from developers needing a paycheck to now trying to fund people who aren't even doing work. I really want to put a proposal out there. Just put the nail in the coffin, man. Give Claybro the remainder of the entire Terra Luna Classic community pool, whatever's left in it, 200, 300, 400,000, whatever 2 billion Terra Luna Classic at the current prices are. Just give all of that to Claybro and let's walk away. I really feel like people would vote yes for that. You know, I think that that's crazy, right? Don't go out there. I would take it if somebody's going to give me $300,000 in Terra Luna Classic, but I still feel like people would vote yes for that. As crazy as it is, now there's no difference in me trying to propose one of those votes and the current votes, the current proposal that's getting votes out there to pay the USTC team just because they're a team, man. Pay them for work they've done in August when they've already admitted that they've done zero work in August. So, yeah, man, I don't know. Look, if the 45 of you guys want a campaign out there and you want to vote, you want to propose a vote to just drain the community pool and give Claybro all of the Terra Luna Classic in the community, I'll split it even. One guy left. There's 44. I'll split it even between the 44 of us. I don't even care, man. 4 or 5 grand a piece. Doesn't bother me. If you guys want to get started on that, let's go ahead. Let's get the proposal up there and move forward with it. That's 4 grand more than I had now. Clay, if there was only someone you could call for help. Cough, cough. Nick F. Cough, cough. Yeah, dude. Also, my brother and his friend, they're kind of crazy. They know a lot of that crap, too. They follow college players. They follow NFL. The only thing is, I don't know if these noobs are going to be willing to help me or not. If they are, I'm probably going to draft a better a better fantasy football team than any of you guys out there. And I probably really will win. So if it looks like, I promise you, I know nothing of the sport, but if it looks like I have an in-depth knowledge of what is taking place on a week-by-week basis and an in-depth knowledge of this draft, I can guarantee you it's because I plagiarized and I have somebody helping me, or a team of people helping me in making decisions on who to draft out there. I know this for sure. They can name at least 2 or 3 players in the NFL, and I can name 0 right now, except for Travis Kelce. I can name Travis Kelce. I can name 1 person in the NFL. I have no idea what team he's on, but I can name Travis Kelce. That is it. That is all she wrote. And somebody's going to draft a quarterback in the first. There's always one person. Yeah, probably me, man. Probably me. Running back and wide receiver go. Defense and kicker, Michael. I like it. I'm afraid to change it and lose my streak. Just add a super chat a month to make up the difference. Do it, man. Do it. What are we talking, though? Oh, yeah. Just add a super chat a month to make it. Hey, guys, yeah. Little bro. Listen, it does not matter to me if you guys are little bro or bro. Bro, if it hits 00056 again, I'm taking half and then watching it for the rest of the time. That will leave 10 million in for future whatever. We talking Shib or we talking something else? Oh, what's going on? Chris, I didn't see you come in here. What's up, bro? This dude, man. Oh, my God. Happy hump day to all the bros out there. Having a good but still weird day. It sounds like a weird day, Chris. I'm glad you're having a good one, though, and I'm glad you're in here right now. This dude comes in hot. Really, though, it depends on your position in the draft. Early first round, you take a wide receiver, Kelce. Later first round, you take a running back. Wide receiver in the second. And third round is running backs have smaller returns. Yep. Quarterback is 6th round. Defense, kicker, way later. Yeah, but if you got the best kicker in the league, aren't you going to win every single time, man? How many times they kick so many balls during the game? It's crazy. It's Kelce. So I don't even know. You guys are like, this dude is a moron, man. So I don't even know one player in the NFL. It's Kelsey. You guys gotta be laughing so hard at me. You gotta be like, this dude, why do we listen to this guy? If he doesn't even know how to name one player in the NFL, why would we listen to anything he has to say ever? Now I get it. It's because you guys are all giggling on your side of the phone or your side of the computer right now because you're like, he just said Kels. Yeah, guys, I'm glad that I can't hear you laughing at me. Otherwise, I might be a little embarrassed. No, I wouldn't be embarrassed, man. I wouldn't be embarrassed at all. Getting a second curl, guys. Getting a second curl. We might be coming back down on AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen below that ascending trend line. So watch that one. That's right. Clay talking trash. I'm loving it, Kills. You guys. There it comes. Now you guys are making fun of me. All right, we'll take it. Lunk, Clay, bro, gotcha. Yeah, Dark, bro, if it gets back up to those recent highs, I would definitely say, well, look at some profit taking, man. Protect those profits and let the house money run. Not sure if this has been asked, but what happens, if anything, to my bone with wrapped bone being a thing? Nothing, Caesar. Nothing's going to happen to your bone with wrapped bone being a thing. Now, I don't know exactly how wrapped bone pegs itself to the price of bone, okay? A couple different ways. You know, you could have those obvious algorithm. They're stable coins, right? Except they're stable to the price of another crypto as opposed to a dollar. So your wrapped bone is going to track the price of bone. What I would expect to see in wrapped bone, and you might be talking about the bone that's on the Shibarium network. I'm not exactly sure. If that's the case, it's perfect. This is a good example of that. So when you lock up your bone, or those that want to buy wrapped bone, simply put the equivalent amount of money into a pool. In this situation, it would get locked up on the bridge, right? It gets locked in this vault so that when you transfer back, you get your regular bone back, as opposed to wrapped bone. So nothing happens. Now, if you're talking about transferring over to Shibarium, this is how it works. You've got the bridge from Ethereum to Shibarium. When you bridge your assets over, your Ethereum assets get locked up in a vault, and new assets are minted on the Shibarium network. So if you move 10 bone over, 10 bone gets locked up in an Ethereum vault, and 10 bone get minted on the Shibarium network. When you go to move your 10 bone back over to the Ethereum network, those 10 bone get unlocked from that Ethereum vault, and the 10 bone that were on Shibarium, they get burned. So they're no longer in existence, and you simply unlock the vaulted bone from that bridge, and you've got access to it again. It takes 7 days to move it back off of Shibarium, though. So watch out for that if you guys are moving from Ethereum to Shibarium and back over to Ethereum. Still, forget that dude from South Boston. Yeah, whoever that dude from South Boston is, forget him. I don't know anybody from South Boston. I like you guys too. That'll be me drafting quarterback first round in the 5th spot. Briguy, let's get started. Oh, I definitely will. I missed out on the $6,000 the last time. That ain't happening again. Yeah, Dark Bro, don't let that happen again. That's a nice chunk, man. That's a nice chunk. Click. We're going in Discord voice chat during the draft so you can hear us laughing. Yeah, JB, you're not nice, man. You're not nice. Don't do it to me. All right, I'll try to be there too. A wrapped bone? What you guys talking about? Wrapped in bacon? I wish it was wrapped in bacon. No. So, Chris, when you've got like Bitcoin on a different blockchain, you have basically wrapped Bitcoin. If you're putting bone onto a different blockchain, you've essentially got wrapped bone. Anytime you see a cryptocurrency trading on its non-native blockchain, like if Bitcoin were trading on the Ethereum blockchain, it would be wrapped Bitcoin. So I don't know why they call it wrapped or where they got that terminology from, but a wrapping bone is the bone token simply being traded on a non-Ethereum blockchain. JB thought it was latex. Okay. Oh, God. Chris, did you happen to have a little bit too much sugar this morning? Did you happen to have like a little bit too much sugar this morning? Or is anything kind of like, affecting your, your, I don't even know the right word, man. Is anything making you overly excited or stimulated this morning? 7 days, 7 days to get off of the Shibarium network. It's kind of crazy, Caesar. Hello, Clay. I tried to contact you on X, but it shows me that you can't receive messages. I messaged you on Insta, but I can't attach PDF file. Well, manager, make sure that I gotta follow you in order for you to send me a message on Twitter, but make sure that you are following the correct Claybro on Instagram. Use the link that's in the description below, because there's a lot of fake Claybros out there on Instagram that have more followers than I do. I think I've only got like 500 or 700 or something followers on Instagram. So just be sure that you're looking at the right one there. That was the ring reference. 7 days. Yes, it was, man. And I read it just as though it was. Sugar. Yeah, if he's got a little extra sugar in his cereal in the morning, he might be a little overstimulated. I had some coffee in my cup of sugar. There you go, Caesar. Outdoor smile. 19 months of bro. Hey, bro, when do you think Litecoin will bottom? That's a very interesting question. Let's pull up Litecoin real quick. I think Litecoin is going to bottom along with the overall crypto market. So if the overall crypto market has already bottomed, I think that Litecoin has bottomed. But if you're looking at, nope, not LTC properties, we want Litecoin, guys. We want Litecoin. Yeah, so it's still following the overall crypto market here, but it has had a more drastic decline over the last couple of days and weeks than Bitcoin has. So right now, it's still at a very strong level of support. Let's just move this down. We don't need another line. This was a decent level of support on the way down here, decent level of resistance on the way back up, support on the way down again. So we absolutely could have set up a bottom in this area at $60. Below that, you can see this level right here is in correlation to Bitcoin being at that $15,000 mark. So just keep that in mind. Keep those levels in mind right there. The next two levels of support are around $60 and then $50 a coin. Based on that, oh man, it was supposed to be Big Weeble that entire time. So watch out for it. Kombu, thank you very much for the King Dolphin right there. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you, Kombu. I know you guys are just sitting there trying to think of the most wild set of emojis that you can send out. And I don't know if that's any better or worse than the King Turkey, but Kombu, thank you very much for the super chat. And trying to find the most annoying things that we could possibly make Claybro do. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, Dark Bro, things are getting a little weird in here this morning, aren't they? Clay, nope, was just on it this morning. Maybe had a little too much coffee, but you got some good reading in, so just having a very good day. Chris, man, very nice. I'm glad you're having a good day. It's shining through, man. It's shining through. I can see that you're in a good mood and you're having fun today, so I like it. I like it, man. Kombu! Yes, everybody's probably like, everybody that's not paying attention to the live stream, I can guarantee they're like, what the heck just happened? They had to scroll up, they had to see that King Dolphin super chat, and they're like, this dude he doesn't know anything about football, and he doesn't know anything about animals either. This dude needs to hang it up. Yes, gotta go! Have a great day, everybody. JB, you as well, man. You know what I didn't do? I didn't double my ad revenue by hitting you guys with an ad in here at the 30-minute mark. You guys got to do better at reminding me when that 30-minute mark comes in. JB, thank you very much for being in here, and enjoy the rest of your day, man. There's only one Clay Bro, the rest are fakes. The real Clay Bro is live right now. Patrick, it is true. Shared to 3 countries, Canada, USA, and Mexico. Total in groups per country, 25,000 plus. I love it, Patrick. Luna Classic and Shiba Inu one day will clear most zeros. But now, while low, something. We add, we wait, we stack. I knew you could do a good dolphin call. Still room for improvement, though. Need more practice. And I am sure, Combo, I am sure that you'll be providing me with as much practice as I need to get better at that dolphin call. Oh my gosh, man. Looks like I got a lot to look forward to there, doesn't it? Guys, you see Bitcoin on the bottom left-hand side of the screen kind of trending sideways over the last couple of hours here. 27,000 setting up as a possible level of support, which is good, but really fading down. Let's go 30-minute chart. Really fading down off this beautiful, oh my gosh, don't you just notice it right away? I'm surprised you don't have guys like Trades and other people out there showing you just how beautiful this bull flag is that is currently being formed on the Bitcoin chart right here. I mean, this is just impeccable. No, I want this one to be that color. Yeah. Yeah. No, I'll just do a trend line. Let's make it. You guys can see this nice flag pattern right here, can't you? Boom, up. Beautiful bull flag sitting at that level of support right now. So watch out for it, dude. If it breaks down and ends up flagging back down. But a lot of people, I mean, you guys remember the old bull flag days and cup and handles. Oh, you guys remember all the cup and handles people pointed out? This could be a bullish pattern, actually. So if this flag doesn't break out of the downside here, it could lead to a breakout of the upside. Bull flags could tend to lead to some more gains there as this flag comes to an end. The wedge of the I don't know, flag comes to an end here. We could break out of the upside, which is nice. But, dude, that is a dead-on bull flag. I mean, let's move that right there and just to show you. Like, look at this. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? I mean, that's a perfect flag right there. So we'll watch and see what happens to Bitcoin, but it's showing a very nice bull flag at the moment on a 30-minute chart. We're gonna clean it up because we don't technically need all this on here, but keep an eye on it. Hopefully, it does end up bouncing off this $27,000 mark. I live for the day to see one of these cryptos hit $1. Dark Bro, and it is a possibility, man. It is, especially if you are in some of the lower market cap cryptos. You know, talking about Shiba Inu coin hitting $1, there's just like too much that has to happen in order to see that. I am extremely skeptical of like the direction that the team is leading Shiba Inu coin. So I'm not exactly sure Shib will make it all the way to $1. Too much has to happen there. But yeah, dude, if you're looking at some of those coins, I think Jasmy's got a better chance of hitting $1 than Shiba Inu coin does, simply because of market cap. So that stuff's possible, man. It really is. What did Night Cow say? Night Cow, Bree Guy says, I look at it like it's free to start mining. If I hit the Shibarium, like I've heard, that could be great for Picoin and the price. If it hit the Shibarium. Yeah, I don't know too much about Picoin, guys. So, I can be one of those people who said I held from 000 infinity to $1. Nice, Dark Bro. Nice. Look, that is a possibility, okay? I want to make that very clear. That a lot of people think, dude, there's no way you're going to make $10 million on a cryptocurrency. Well, dude, Shiba Inu coin is what it is now. And it's kind of hard to think about the fact that Shib can 1000x from where we're at. But Shiba Inu coin is an excellent example of a coin that went from like a $30,000 market cap to $40 billion. Real people had $100 invested and held till millions of dollars. One guy had an $8,000 wallet and had billions of dollars in his wallet. Like, that is nuts, okay? I don't know whatever happened to that guy. That is nuts. Those are real stories. Pepe, man. Pepe did that in 19 days. If you would have bought Pepe on Dex Tools and you didn't get screwed over by a rug pull, you would have thought, holy crap, I actually got one that didn't get rugged. And all of a sudden it kept moving. Yes, Pepe also ran from a couple $1,000 market cap to over $1 billion. It was 1.7, I believe, not 1.5. I think it was 1.7. $1.7 billion in market cap. So it is an absolute possibility that you hold on to one of these coins that really does do something. Those are just two examples. I mean, look at Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum. Look at any of these major coins that are out there right now, and they all started somewhere, and now they're sitting on billions of dollars in market cap. So it is a possibility if you're just simply willing to hold. Otherwise, you see your money double, triple, quadruple, 10, 20, 30x, and then you get out and you made like 20 grand, and you realize 10 years from now, wow, dude, Shib really is sitting at $1. If I would have just forgot about that wallet, I would be sitting on like $6 million. I'd be sitting on $600 million. I'd be sitting on $2 billion right now. So, it is a possibility, man. Darn, I could potentially have 8 grand. Cheers, Bree. I'll keep mining. Ooh-wee! Dude, 8 grand would be great, Night Cow. Let's see. I try to keep realistic expectations. I'm not expecting nothing. It's just fun. Very nice, Bree guy. I only have, 3 pi? Is that what you're talking about? Mining 3 pi? How do you mine pi coin, guys? You just go in there and click a button, or do you have to let your phone run, or what do you do? Hurrah! I have a goal for the combined Roth long-term retirement portfolio accounts, 20,000 by the end of March. Frank, dude, I absolutely hope you make it. Now, does that add in expected dividend returns from like Tesla and some of those other stocks out there, those yield max ETFs, or is that simply based on your contributions, or what are you looking at, man? Because I think you'll make it, dude. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on him as always. Glad to have you in here, Crypto Rocketeer. Bro, it would be amazing if I could get something like Lunk that could do that. But I'd be happy with even one of these things giving me 20 grand. Yeah, dude, you can do it. You can do it. I know you can do it, man. It doesn't need to be Challenge channel. Did you just now subscribe? You've been in here so often, Challenge. Did you just forget to click the set? Yeah, you forgot to click the subscribe button. Challenge channel, I see you on the screen, man. I would have figured you'd have been subscribed already. Bro fam, late but here. I like it, Gorilla. All-time high by November. Two months. Let me say this. That's an interesting time frame. I'll say all-time high on Shiba Inu coin only if a massive bull market rally occurs. And one could occur if we all of a sudden get institutional money flowing in like crazy, because the SEC does not appeal the decision for Grayscale's spot ETF, spot Bitcoin ETF. They got 45 days to do so. So that puts us in the middle of October. And in fact, they don't just not appeal it, they approve it. So if we've got a spot Bitcoin ETF approved, if we've got hundreds of billions of dollars in institutional money flowing into Bitcoin, I do believe that we can see all-time highs being hit on a lot of the crypto in the crypto world. Clearly, that can get held up by a vast array of things. I mean, you could see You can see the SEC appeal that decision. You can see the SEC not appeal, but they could block the Bitcoin ETF from taking place. There's still a lot that could happen there that would say no. So I think that that's your best path forward to seeing Shiba Inu coin at all-time highs in that short of a time period. Pi, you just press on your mobile once a day, and it plays an advertisement, and done. That's genius, man. That's genius. That dude, that's genius, man. How much does it pay you in Pi when you do it? Because, I mean, that dude's just farming ads right there, which is an excellent idea. It would be no different than you, like, watching a YouTube video or something. How much Pi do you make by clicking that and viewing that ad? Because he's obviously profiting as well, and he's not even paying you in dollars. He's paying you in a crypto. It's a freaking genius plan, man. Golly. And he doesn't need to take your liquidity to do it. He doesn't need to use any of his money that he's receiving. He gives you a crypto, which you're going out there and trading for someone else's. That's a win-win move, man. That's a win-win move for that. How much Pi do you get? What's it depend on? What's it depend on? Because, yeah, that's a genius move on his behalf, guys. That would be no different. So, YouTube pays anywhere between a third of a cent and about a half of a cent for me. So they're making about half of a cent as well. So let's just be under the assumption that the advertisers are paying a penny per view, and that's getting split between, whoever's on YouTube and whoever is, like, YouTube itself. So if that guy is ripping a penny per click, and people are just ripping, hundreds of thousands of clicks or millions of clicks a day, that dude's literally making 10, 20 grand a day in advertisements, and he's paying out a cryptocurrency. He's not paying it out in US dollars. So he's simply giving you a crypto that is only worth what people are willing to make it worth. Oh, man. Yeah, dude. He was on to something with that one. For sure. You need to let it run in the background on your phone. Just accumulates at 1 cent unless you stake it. That's a dividend. A regular investment in long-term retirement portfolio. Having 2024 Roth contributions maxed out. Nice. Frank, dude, that's dividends perfect. I think you'll make it, man. I think you'll make it. Nice couch cushion find there, Night Cow. The penny? Yeah, it is. Absolutely. I know, right, Regat? I didn't think it was real 2 years ago when a friend showed me. I was like, what's they catch? It depends on many things, Clay. Well, the more the money, the better. Just go to the app, click a button, and it starts mining. You go to your team, and if they aren't mining, you could ping them with an alert. Start mining for the day. I think that's cool. Now you get a team. Huh. Once you can stake it for X amount boost. Let's get started. Moji! What's going on, man? Moji coming in with a bathroom break right there. I love it, Moji. Can you talk about Jasmy Coin more? Well, Noodle Toes, yeah, I could... Come on, Pika! Oh my gosh, dude. I thought Pika was for sure gone, lost in the shadows, but here she is. Pika. You guys know what this Streamlabs gets us. La Pika. La Pika. La Pika. La Pika. La Pika. La Pika. Oh wait, she said let's change it up a little bit. We got a El Pudgy Wudgy, El Pudgy Wudgy, El Pudgy Pudgy Pudge, El Pudgy Pudge. This is the last time, you guys better do it with me. Pika throwing out the Pudgy, El Pudgy Wudgy, El Pudgy Wudgy, El Pudgy Wudgy, El Pudgy Wudgy. Pika, thank you very much. I didn't even read it till I got on there and I saw the two Pikas first. We had the El Pudgy Pudge, El Pudgy Wudge, El Pudgy Wudgy. That's what it was. El Pudgy Wudgy in the chat there. We got ourselves a little bit of a Thank you very much, Pika, for the super chat. The Streamlabs super chat at that. Sideswiping all of the YouTube fees there. I love it, Pika. And is Pudgy in here right now? Is Pudgy in here? Did Pudgy see the El Pudgy Wudgy? Oh, Pudgy, you better seen the El Pudgy Wudgy, man. Oh, my goodness. I love it. Pika. Pika, you actually have no idea how good it is to see you in here. It really does feel good to have Pika in here right now. You guys agree with me? You guys agree with me? It does make me feel really good to see Pika in here. Your referral link gives you 1 free pie. Ooh, a Brie guy. That's interesting as well, man. I might have to make some videos on Picoin and get some clicks there. You guys got to teach me a little bit more about Picoin, man. I wanna get in on that action too. 1 free pie for. One free pie for everybody that signs up there. That is a genius idea. I gotta admit, that guy was on to something there. Paying out in crypto for the ad revenue received from ads that he doesn't even have to share with anybody. Yeah, that was a smart move on him, man. Pika, 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 pika. Yes, J-Bone, she's in here, man. When you read my project, I think you will like how the reward system will work, even for burns and stakeholders, etc. No more spoilers. All right, manager, no more spoilers, man. I need to see what's going on with that project there. Pika saying, what's up to Noodle Toes Moji Bree guy? Oh, yes, old rounder. Read my last message, Clay, bro. I got you, Crypto Rocketeer. It says, hi, Pika. Prior to that one, it says, you are mining at a certain speed. I have like 0.08 pi in speed, have over 2,000 full pi, and it's predicted to reach $300 before 2025. Is the 2,000 pi... is that what's predicted to reach $300, or is pi predicted to reach $300 a coin? Let me ask you this. Can you just sell it? Let's see here. Pi. I'm pretty sure this is the right one. Now, hold on. This is Pi coin, right? $53 a coin on Pi, and you have 2,000 Pi. Dude, if you get 2,000 Pi at $53 a coin, you're sitting on a lot of money. Sitting on a lot of money. You're telling me you got $100,000 in Pi coin right now? Is that what we got? Dude, if that's the case, can you sell those? Man, $50 million in volume. The volume is much, much lower now. I mean, if these are legitimate prices, man. I'm under the assumption that, yes, you can sell them on Bitmart. Or however the heck you pronounce this coin. Or, I mean, this exchange. Oh, yeah, I gotta look into it a little bit more there. You guys gotta keep me updated on this one. Tell me more about it. Ignore the price, because it's currently worthless. You gotta tell me why, Crypto Rocketeer. You gotta tell me why. I don't know why it would currently be worthless when it says it's $53 a coin. Because you can't sell it anywhere? Or why would it be worthless there? Hey, Clay! Back from summer holiday in Germany. What happened to Pepe? Johan, man. Glad that you are back from holiday. Hopefully that you had a great vacation. I think the excitement, man. So when Pepe reached its all-time market cap high of about $1.7 billion, it was listed on KuCoin, Binance, and major exchanges. What else do they have to look forward to? I believe people use that as a buy the rumor and like sell the top. Like, what else could happen to Pepe at that point? So like without some sort of a catalyst, I don't know if Pepe is going to rebound itself all the way back up to its all-time highs or not. But I believe people viewed those listings as like, this is the greatest that Pepe is going to get, and a lot of them sold off afterwards. Who wants to trade Pi? You can on Bitmart. You can buy and sell, but you can't add from Pi Wallet to Bitmart. Why? Why? It's a speculative price. It's worthless right now. Okay. So this dude is not only farming ads, he's paying you in something that literally has no value. Golly bum, dude. He is getting people and he's literally paying them nothing to watch those ads. That is crazy. This class is an IOU at the moment. Well, that dude's making a lot of money. Dude's making a lot of money on advertisements. I have to get going. Have an awesome day, everybody. Pika, thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat. Pika, I hope that you're having... I don't know if you're working today. I don't know if you're in class today, what your schedule is. But I do hope, and I know that every one of the bros in here hopes that you have an amazing day and you're having a great time. I think that's awesome. So, Pika, shout out to you, and thank you very much for being in here. Everybody else, guys, everybody else. It's 1:01 right now. We're over at 1 p.m. Get your names in the chat. We'll do the shout outs, and we will be back this afternoon with another live stream in a few hours from now. PM Righteous, what's going on, PM Righteous? Let's see here. Yeah, we'll do a market recap after, Bronson. We don't have too much going on right now in terms of cryptocurrency, but AMC doing very well, up 18% today. NASDAQ following Tesla and some major companies higher. Tesla doing very nice to bounce through some intraday highs and continue its gain, potentially moving right back up above this major level of what was support, now resistance. Could be breaking back up above this level at about $255, $256 a share. And therefore driving prices like the QQQ and driving the overall market higher at the moment, which is good to see. We'll break down and look at AMC a little bit later. But right now, we're doing shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon, guys. We have Pika Power. Enjoy your afternoon and enjoy the rest of your day. Kombu, see you later. Bronson, enjoy it. Night Cow, Kombu, see you later. J Bones, baby. Night Cow, we got Project Manager, Pudgy, Bree Guy, Dark Bro, PM Righteous. Enjoy your afternoon, man. Glenn Gusoni, enjoy your day. Crypto Rocketeer, baby. Just trust the process because people are getting impatient, and I love that, Clay. You love that people are getting impatient, or what? I just liked the fact that this guy's farming some major ad views. It's a genius move. I just hope that he pays you guys out for it. Have a good day, you all. You as well, Night Cow. Bree Guy, see you later. Manager, Noodle Toes. You did not answer my question. Noodle Toes, very sorry. Asked the question. Oh, can you talk more about, I think I did about Jasmine. I said, we can look at Jasmine, but as far as like talking more in depth about it, I don't know much about Jasmine right now. So we could definitely look at it again and check the graph out and see what it's doing. But I got to see more about what Jasmine actually does before we can do an in-depth analysis on it. Dark Bro, later to you, Johan. Pika Power, working while finishing. Oh, shh. I'm not going to tell if you guys don't tell. Working while finishing homework. I like it, Pika. Getting paid to do homework. That's the best way to do it. Bree Guy, enjoy it. Gorilla, Old Rounder, Gen G, Crypto Rocketeer, PM Righteous, J Bones. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Noodle Toes? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. This dude, man, you were almost cut off. You take that hot dog, Noodle Toes, and you dip that hot dog in your favorite dip. And when you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it One bite is how you dip and shove the hot dog. Noodle Toes, thank you very much for the super chat. You almost got cut off there. Nonetheless, epic move. I love it. J-Bone, shout out to you. Noodle Toes, Just Jeff, Outdoor Smile, Bree Guy, Noodle Toes, Kombu, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Noodle Toes, we leaving? Nope. I thought we were. Nope. I thought we were leaving, Noodle Toes. Nope. Oh, man. Noodle Toes is a Pudgy 2.0 right now. Noodle Toes, man, thank you very much for another super chat. Kombu, yes, it is somehow 1 o'clock already. Noodle Toes, Bree Guy, Kombu, Noodle Toes, AMC to 15, let's get it, PM Righteous. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Noodle Toes says, we haven't seen this one in a while. You take the salt shaker and you pour the salt out on the table and you throw it over your shoulder because it's good luck. And because salt tastes so good, you gotta... but every time it gets in your eyes. And it stings. Boy, it stings. Noodle Toes, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Appreciate all you guys for being in here and the updates on pie. I'm gonna have to look into pie, man. Sounds like something I should be interested in, especially if you get a pie for every referral link. That's not bad at all. 775. See you later, man. Noodle Toes, Kombu, Noodle Toes, PM Righteous, Noodle Toes, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Noodle Toes, I see you. Noodle Toes, thank you very much, Noodle Toes. Oh my gosh, that's weird. Noodle Toes, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate the mustache. Noodle Toes, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Appreciate you on that one, man. Thank you very much for the salt shaker, the nope, and the hot dog as well. PM Righteous, Noodle Toes, Kombu, Noodle Toes, PM Righteous, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Noodle Toes, you scared? Oh my gosh, you scared me, Noodle Toes. Don't do that anymore. Noodle Toes, thank you very much for the super chat. Yes, we've got a lot of Noodle Toes at the end of the stream here, and I love it right now. PM Righteous, man, Kombu, thank you. Noodle Toes, thank you very much for the super chat. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I'm done! Later. Noodle Toes, thank you very much for all of the super chats, man. Appreciate every single one of them. He is done. At least he says he's done. So it must be time to go. Guys, we've got our names in the chat right now. Shout out to PM Righteous. Shout out to Kombu. Noodle Toes, thank you very much, man. Hernan, see you later, Hernan, Lebron, enjoy your day. Johan, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Dude lied to me. Nope! It's not time to go. Was he done? Nope, he was not done. I thought he was done, guys. Nope, he tricked us all. Noodle Toes coming in hot. He says he was done, but he was not done. Oh my gosh. Noodle, thank you very much for the super chat. He tricked us, guys. Heard it. See you later. Johan, enjoy it. Jeff Wadlow, hello and goodbye, my friend. Noodle Toes, thank you once again for the super chat. Pudgy, liking the action right now. All right. That's a pretty good evil laugh, isn't it? Noodle Toes, man, thank you very much for the super chat, man. This dude's having way too much fun right now. Noodle Toes, appreciate all the super chats, man. Don't have too much fun right now. Oh my gosh. We got shout outs to Hernan, Johan, Jeff, Noodle Toes, Pudgy, Noodle Toes, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.